You want to tell them about your barbecue grill you just put together? It took you for forever. How many hours it took you to? An hour and a half. Daddy gonna make a fire. This daddy first time using a charcoal grill. We used to have a propane. It is your first time. I can tell the peach patch. I think that's more than enough coal. You ain't like you having a party.
Ain't you probably doing that?
Got 3 slices of ribs.
Who did that, Mommy?
Who did that? Need a lighter fluid.
My house.
You better practice nice hands, buddy. Yes, boo-boo. Yes. You scared? Baby, back up. We don't want to get blown up.
Shoes,
Yep, shoes. Need a paper towel? This man ain't never used a charcoal grill. He should have looked at a YouTube video first. But you know, men think they know everything. Babe, if you don't know what you're doing, just say that. I thought you just light it with the lighter. What happened if you just light it with the lighter?
Why up?
I'm gonna get you a propane grill, babe. Because of the wind.
What?
He do not like to listen. Hard head behind.
Light him. How you light up the thing?
In the kitchen. So hard head.
Okay, please. Why you?
Right, go give me that other lighter.
Your daddy did it.
Yeah, he can get down. Like a bug. I want to eat a fire.
Back up, Matt, because your daddy finna do something risque. I can already tell. That thing don't need no more lighter fluid. Go ahead. You don't want to share? Matt won't share with you? Okay, give me a second. I'm going to make him share.
What? Mama, shut mine.
Well, gorgeous, why you didn't buy you one of those? Daddy said yours in the bag. Go look in the bag. So every time Daddy barbecue, we clean the grill with an onion. Even though this is brand new, it just get it like flavorful and had the whole neighborhood smelling like somebody throwing down. That's our little trick. Everybody in our family does that. Comment down below if y'all always start off y'all barbecue with an onion. It's so good. I figured I ain't have to do that one.
Put them on me on my splitters. Hold on, Mommy.
Marshmallow, eat it. They fighting, baby yelling. Babe, I got you a fork and I got you this. All right, so we're going to be using 3 slabs of ribs. We bought these 3 slabs from Sam's Club for $17.53. So this is what the ribs look like fresh out the pack. That's 1. Oh, I thought this was 3 slabs. It's only 2. 2 slabs. Okay. I'm finna clean the back of them off. Like, get rid of this. I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm just gonna cut it off. And we're gonna cook it separate. Some people throw this away, but in my family, we keep it and we barbecue it, and it be so good. My mom and my auntie, them, they like to go through and peel this off of the ribs, but I actually like it on my meat. So I'm not gonna worry about that. But what we are going to do is split them. It's just easier once it's done. It's come down like that, but still leave that top part. And I'm using my Eat Meat knives from the Warren family. Shout out to Miss Cheryl Warren. If you guys want to order these knives, click the link in the bio. We got them from Amazon.
No.
As a gift.
No.
From subscribers.
What are you talking about?
Stop. I'm using a knife. Stop.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about this knife I'm using. So I'm just splitting them like that. Cleaning that on up. I be feeling like it's pointless. My mama, she would really scrape all this off. But I be feeling like it's pointless. For one, it tastes good as heck when they kind of burnt back there. It tastes so yummy. And then also, it's on the front too. And that's just like, look, that'll take all that cleaning off all that back fat. And then it's our thin end. Love me a good thin end. I'm gonna do the same to the next slab. All right, so the meat is clean, it's cut. So now we're gonna season it. Yes, I am going to season it in the sink. No, I'm not concerned about germs and bacteria. This is the way my mama does it, my grandma, my great grandma, everybody in my family, all my aunties. We season our meat in the sink. We also use bleach in our dish detergent even before COVID. So we just don't worry about those kind of things. And it's the easiest way to mix your meat. Like, make sure every piece gets seasoned. I know you're like, dang, Peach, that's a lot of seasoning. I promise you it ain't.
I just ripped the box off. And so, I got two now. And nobody which one is. But look at all I have. 4, 3.
4. Oh my God. I did not know. Look, they did not have a top on that one. I had no idea.
It's gorgeous. Make it gorgeous. Mom, play on that piano.
I gotta get this child a YouTube channel. But yeah, you just gonna start mixing it up.
Open it.
I feel like the sink is the easiest way to mix meat, which is why we do it this way.
I got my bed. I got my bed, Mommy. I got my bed.
Yeah, I like your bed. You made a candy bed. You want your front and back to be seasoned. You know, I feel like doing it with your hands is best. But at your house, do whatever works. If you want to wear gloves, I ain't judging you. So don't judge me. Judge me. All right, y'all. The ribs are good and seasoned. No pale spot. That's how we want them to look. Now I'm about to do my little secret that my daddy taught me. My father taught me. I need to run to the dollar store because we ain't got no big pans. So I had to stuff it in here. But this is my secret weapon when barbecuing. If you want that little smoky taste and you're trying to make the neighbors like come outside and look out the window like, who is barbecuing? You want to add you some liquid smoke, baby. Baby. Game changer. Oh, yeah. Had a whole block smelling like a good time. So clean out our sink. That's on. We'll have your rags turning colors, but the bleach will get rid of all that. This is what the ribs are looking like. I'm going to take these outside so he can put them on the grill. For that onion. Why does it look like a pretty vagina? Look at it. I think everything is shaped like a woman because we are the greatest things on earth. We produce life. I'm gonna put some hot dogs in here too for the kids.
That's how one slab came down.
I need my cell phone.
One of the slabs.
I need my
I
cell
still got the other one on
phone.
there. See how that bit looking. Smoke good. Good, good.
Hey, you some more juice? Hey, you want some juice?
It's the other slab. I ain't looking. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What time to get back, man? That thing looking.
Yes, go bags, buddy. Ooh, them look delicious. All right then, Wood. He proud of them ribs. And this is what the ribs look like. That is somebody I made him burn them, but they not burnt. I think they perfect. Yeah, the liquid smoke. Oh, you gonna put sauce on them? Let's do one slab with sauce and one slab without. And then these are pieces that were cheap. That back fat. Ooh, baby. It's a good time. You put the sauce on and put it on the bread. Would mean business. Bet it is not enough barbecue sauce. You rusty, babe. We had a propane grill, and when our house burnt down, before we could move it, somebody went in our yard and stole it. It's sad that people steal from people when they had a hardship in their life. That looks so delicious. But you could have made that a TikTok. A TikTok or Instagram.
Oh.
You think you did something.